how to add transitions to Instagram Reels. So if you want to add transitions to your Instagram Reels, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Tap on it and then go with the Reels section. Once you're here under the Reels section, you just need to simply choose 2 or 3 videos. You can simply take it right now, or you can go and upload something. Once you've done, tap on next, which is on the bottom. And now you can simply go with the bottom left, which has that edit video option. And once you're on the edit video, you just need to simply go with the middle space of 2 videos. Tap on it, and here you will have the transitions. So you can simply choose any transition that you're comfortable with. And once you've chosen the transition, tap on done, or you can go with apply to all to apply it to all of your reels or clips, and tap on done, which is on the bottom. And in this way, you'll be able to add transitions to your Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.